What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be doing a oil change on my CL55. Here I'm showing you basically what you need. So you need a 13mm socket, a torque wrench, and this thing here is for the oil filter cap, 76/14, and also you're going to need this little thing for the drain plug. I'm just gonna take this off. Alright, so what I did is I just got an extension now, so I don't have to get that close. Alright guys, it's still draining at the bottom, but what I also like to do is I also like to loosen the oil filter up the top, because every time I do that I'm still draining a little more, comes out the bottom, so everything, you know, I could get out. Just have a normal socket wrench and just to put this guy in. Now he's in there. Spilled a little, but it's not that bad. Alright, now we'll go change the filter and stuff. Alright guys, now that you have your filter thing here, what I like to do is I just get a pick and take these little rubber things off. So there's one, there's the second one. I don't want to make a mess on there. There's a third one, but I'm going to take the filter off first, so you just kind of twist and pull out, and this one out. That's the third one. Man, this thing is hot. I left the car running for a little, so alright, we got this last one. So in total there's 4 of them. There should only be one line showing, not 2. Alright, so there you go, it's showing one line. The side with the little markings for me goes on the inside of this, and there you go. Now you want to go in here and just get these guys. Alright, now you want to get your drain washer and just put this guy back. There we go. Now we'll go up to the top part and put the oil filter back. Alright, I'm going to be putting the oil filter back on, but I like to put some oil directly in there first, just so there's a little there when the car starts. Just like to put some in there. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this back. So right here it says 25 nanometers, that's how much, so I'm gonna go get my torque wrench. Alright guys, you wanna get your torque wrench. It's 25 nanometers, so that's around 18.4 foot-pounds, so I have it set to that. And now you're just gonna torque this down. There you go. That's all it needs, and now we'll just put the oil back. Alright guys, we're going to be putting the oil back. I like to take this little snorkel thing off so I have a little more space. I'm going to start with this guy here. For the CL55 it's about 9 quarts, but since I have a dipstick, I just put and just check.
Dali, YouTube.
Recording. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.